Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to speed up a clip on iPhones with iOS 26. To do that, you have to use iOS application called iMovie. You can find it on App Store. If it's not installed on your iPhone, just look for iMovie right here and click right here to download it, and once it's downloaded, open it, click continue. You have to set up by allowing this application to use your photos and music applications. Then select create new project, movie, select a movie that you want to speed up, for example this one. Tap create movie, and now tap on the video on the timeline to highlight it yellow, click on the speedometer, and then slide this, move the slider to the right to make it faster. You can see the preview of the video right here. And when you're done, select done. And right now you can save this video by clicking right here and selecting save or share video, and select save to files. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.